the way that I discovered you is, we were talking about this sort of in the pre-interview, is I discovered you through Julian Mitchell. I discovered Julian Mitchell just by happenstance, if that even exists. You know, there's no such thing as coincidence, but I discovered him through Complex Hustle. I absolutely fell in love with his writing and Forbes and, you know, Revolt and everything that he's done. He posted you one day, and I see New Age Gents and Men Talking Shift and all these different things that you're doing, and I absolutely love the content. What's your connection like with Julian Mitchell, and has he, or how did he help you kind of launch New Age Gents?
I think everyone in life needs someone to just push a little air beneath their wing. It doesn't even have to be a full-blown storm, but just a little bit of wind, I think, can really get someone going. And Julian did that for me. We had a previous relationship through church and really, you know, similar circles. And at a certain time in life, as you say, happenstance, there's no coincidence. He happened to have a massive blog that he was managing called The Love Project. And it was one of the first large platforms that I had seen on social media. And this is in 2012, and it wasn't a thing. Like, having a max amount of followers and audience in social media was not a thing. And I was writing some stuff that was very similar to what he put out. There was an alignment there. We had a very quick exchange. He shared some content that turned into a conversation. That conversation turned into, can I write for you? Can I write for you turned into a no. That no turned into New Age Gents.
Love it.
And there's a beauty in someone telling you no so that you can see the yes. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm not, you writing for this platform is not the thing that I can see for you. You're seeing, so right now, temporary, let me just do this. But I'm saying what you have can create an entire platform, an entire mission around this idea you want to talk about, you want to stand for. And that's what he did for me. He helped me to see the bigger picture.
And that in itself is a gift, because that tells you that he has the confidence in you to be able to create a platform. Because if you were someone else, he might say, sure, you can write for me, or, you know, maybe you should need to get some more writing skill, whatever it is.
Right.
Right. But he actually saw something in you and said, you could build this yourself. Just go do it yourself. And you did it. And here we are.